Hi, welcome back to XR for Designer. This is another Maquette tutorial on design with reference and a bit longer full recording of a design process. How you actually would combine all the tips that I shared in the previous tutorials, put them together to make your workflow super fast. This is a tutorial in the series of talking about Maquette Workflow. We're at the second part, design with reference. Let's get started. So, I want to recreate this very, very beautiful dribble shot. What I want to do is that we want to get this image out from Dribble, put it into our project folder. But I made a mistake here because you cannot put GIF in Maquette. We'll come back later. And also, I get this human ergonomic picture that I want to use for like driving scenes. All right. Now we're back to Maquette. As you can see, I'm dragging out this picture, scale it up, put it in the space, so I can use it as a reference later. Let's put the dribble shot picture. I actually get out and screenshot that to use them together. Okay, so what I want to do first is that I want to recreate a driving scenario. And I want to use this ergonomic reference to help me learn where do I put my displays, because you can see on the image you have a optimal eye distance for viewing, right? You want to put it right at that place. And also you have a maximum or optimal head rotation, so you don't want to have your display larger than the rotation area, so it's get really hard to read, right? So I'm trying to recreate this drawing. So I'm putting legs, I'm putting feet. You can see I'm stretching the capsule to make my body parts. Now, for hand, we can actually go back to the Maquette assets to get the hand that we want. It's a little bit better than drawing a hand from scratch with capsules and spheres, right? Since we already have it. We want to change it to color black, put it on to the little human that we're building. Awesome. Sometimes you might wonder, okay, since at the end of the day we are going to be put at the viewing angle from that sphere because we want to view whatever the eye is looking, right? What's the point of building the rest of the body? Because when you get to that viewing position, you'll see everything from that angle. So if you don't see a leg, you don't see a arm, it will be really weird. So right now I'm trying to match the distance. Now if you're done, get rid of the reference. Now if you go to that place, you can go to the gizmos, create a new viewport, make it visible, drag it to the position of our little driver. Make the hat the same size, click the viewport, and voila, you're at the place where it seems like you are actually looking at this display. This is the beauty of using reference. It will make your design work less guessing and actually way faster. Now, the second one. Our task here is to create these dribble shot in 3D. So, first of all, let's create a reference area. And when I'm saying reference, it means the floor, the ceiling, generally where things should be sitting, right? Because in Maquette, you have a void. You have a big empty space to work with. So what I did here was I create a floor. I create two walls and a back wall. Now we want to make the table. So I was searching in the Maquette snippet to find this pretty good scale-wise, pretty accurate desk for me to use. So just grab that. But things I don't like is the leg. So I just ungroup the desk, choose the leg, and also that beam, get rid of that. Okay, now we have to make the stand. So stand it seems pretty easy. So let's just use a cube to create that. We grab a cube, scale it on the x-axis, get another cube, rotate it a little bit to make it match the previous one that we did, scale it, and it looks okay. All right, then we need to find the chair. You can actually go ahead and recreate the exact same shape. I don't think it's that hard, but I don't want to do that here, so I just use the snippet chair. It comes with the Maquette folder. I just get that, duplicate that, create 3 chairs. Awesome. Then we need to have that, I don't know how to call that shape. Yeah, that polygon out there. Put it on the table. Then we are seeing some pictures or UIs on the wall. Easy. In this case, I'm going to use my own UI, right? I have a music player interface. I just put it on the wall. And there you go. It's that simple to build a dribble shot scene right from a reference.